Your car isn't just a way to get from point A to point B. It's often a second home, a workspace, or your go-to vehicle for adventure. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or someone who loves to stay organized on the go, the right gadgets can completely change your driving experience. Amazon is home to a treasure trove of innovative car accessories designed to make your life easier, safer, and more enjoyable. From devices that keep your car spotless to tools that enhance safety and connectivity, these genius gadgets cater to every type of driver. In this video, you'll find 20 of the cleverest car gadgets available on Amazon. Chair Topper. The Chair Topper is an innovative car accessory designed to enhance mobility for wheelchair users. This device automatically lifts and stores a folded wheelchair into a rooftop compartment, freeing up interior space and eliminating the need for manual loading. One of its standout features is the automated operation, which simplifies the process for users and caregivers. By storing the wheelchair on the roof, it preserves the vehicle's interior aesthetics and functionality. Additionally, the weather-resistant compartment ensures the wheelchair remains protected from the elements. Complete Scuvver. The Complete Scuvver Genius Car Gadget is a versatile and eco-friendly seat protector designed to safeguard your vehicle's interior from dirt, sweat, and spills. Crafted from 100% post-consumer recycled textiles, it offers a sustainable solution for car owners. The protector features a high-quality silicone non-slip backing, ensuring it stays securely in place without the need for straps. Its machine-washable design adds convenience, allowing for easy maintenance. When not in use, the protector stows neatly into a detachable pouch attached to the headrest harness, keeping your car interior clean and organized. Users have praised its quick deployment and effective protection, making it ideal for active individuals and families. The Complete Scuvver combines functionality with sustainability, offering a practical solution for maintaining your vehicle's cleanliness. Seventour ST800. The Seventour ST800 is a compact 10-inch powered subwoofer designed to enhance your vehicle's audio system with deep, rich bass. With a peak power output of 800 watts and an RMS power handling of 220 watts, it delivers robust performance without occupying excessive space. Its slim profile allows for under-seat installation, making it suitable for various vehicle types. The subwoofer features a built-in amplifier, simplifying installation and reducing the need for additional components. A notable design element is the blue LED ambient lighting, adding a stylish touch to your car's interior. The cast aluminum enclosure ensures durability and effective heat dissipation, contributing to the subwoofer's longevity. Additionally, it includes a wired remote control for convenient adjustment of gain, bass boost, and crossover settings. Overall, the Seventour ST800 offers a balanced combination of power, design, and functionality for car audio enthusiasts seeking an upgrade. Holzmann MF 5-in-1. The Holzmann MF 5-in-1 is a versatile multifunction device that combines 5 practical tools into one compact unit: workbench, work platform, rollerboard, hand truck, and transport trolley. Its robust and stable design ensures durability, while the quick and easy function change feature enhances user convenience. Equipped with a 230 volts input and 3 230 volts outputs, it offers versatility for various tasks. The device includes an MDF board, providing a sturdy work surface. With a maximum load capacity of 150 kilograms as a workbench and 300 kilograms as a work platform, it accommodates a wide range of applications. Users appreciate its space-saving design and multifunctionality, making it a valuable addition to any workshop or garage. Racebox Pro. The Racebox Pro is a high-precision GPS-based performance meter designed for automotive enthusiasts seeking accurate measurement of their vehicle's capabilities. Equipped with a 10 Hz GPS module, it delivers precise data for acceleration, lap times, and speed, with positioning accuracy down to 10 inches. Users commend its intuitive interface and quick satellite acquisition, facilitating seamless operation during track sessions. The device's portability is enhanced by its battery-powered design, eliminating the need for cumbersome cords. Additionally, the integrated Wi-Fi and companion mobile app enable immediate data review post-session, streamlining performance analysis. While some users note that the mobile app could benefit from updates to improve responsiveness, the Racebox Pro remains a valuable tool for drivers aiming to monitor and enhance their on-road performance. Any Level Lift. The Any Level Lift is an innovative suspension system that allows truck owners to adjust their vehicle's ride height seamlessly, offering flexibility for various driving conditions. Utilizing a hydraulic mechanism, it enables on-the-fly adjustments, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Users commend its robust construction and the convenience of altering ride height without compromising ride quality. However, the system's premium pricing, reportedly around $20,000, may be a consideration for potential buyers. Additionally, while the lift offers impressive capabilities, some users have noted that it may not be suitable for extreme off-road conditions. Overall, the Any-level lift is a remarkable advancement in vehicle suspension technology, catering to those seeking versatility and enhanced control over their truck's stance. Rotary R1065 Mobile Tablet Aligner. The Rotary R1065 Mobile Tablet Aligner is a cutting-edge, tower-free wheel alignment system designed to enhance efficiency in automotive workshops. Its wireless, tablet-operated interface allows technicians to perform alignments without being confined to a specific bay size, offering unparalleled flexibility. The system's Bluetooth-enabled measuring heads ensure seamless communication, eliminating the need for cumbersome cables. Users appreciate the intuitive setup and the ability to email or print personalized alignment reports directly from the tablet, streamlining customer service. Additionally, the R1065's fast installation and long-lasting batteries contribute to uninterrupted workflow. While the initial investment is significant, the R1065's advanced features and mobility make it a valuable asset for shops aiming to improve alignment services and operational versatility. Vvivid Vintyl Black Beast Fur Vinyl Wrap. The Vvivid Plus Beast Black Fur Vinyl Wrap offers a distinctive 3D textured finish, mimicking sleek fur for a unique automotive aesthetic. Its hybrid elastic PVC composition enhances durability and stretchability, while the low-tack, pressure-sensitive adhesive facilitates easier installation, especially on larger surfaces. The self-healing properties and air release adhesive lining minimize bubbles and lifting, ensuring a smooth application. Users have praised its eye-catching appearance and quality. However, some note that the vinyl's thickness can make it challenging to work with, particularly for beginners. Overall, the Beast Black Fur Vinyl Wrap is a standout choice for those seeking to make a bold statement with their vehicle's appearance. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 7 inches Variable Speed Polisher. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 7 inches Variable Speed Polisher is a cordless, full-size rotary polisher designed for automotive detailing. Its brushless motor delivers performance comparable to corded polishers, with a variable speed range of 0 to 2,200 revolutions per minute, providing versatility for various polishing tasks. Users appreciate its cordless convenience, eliminating the hassle of managing power cords during detailing sessions. The polisher's ergonomic design and lighter weight enhance user comfort during extended use. Equipped with an M18 red lithium battery, it can reportedly polish a full-size car on a single charge, making it suitable for professional and DIY applications. However, some users have noted that the tool's power may be underwhelming for heavy-duty tasks, and it can be noisy during operation. Overall, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Polisher offers a balance of performance and convenience for automotive enthusiasts. Bigboi Blower Mini. The Bigboi Blower Mini is a compact, touchless car dryer designed to efficiently remove water from your vehicle's surface, reducing the risk of scratches associated with traditional drying methods. Equipped with a powerful 2,800 watts motor, it delivers heated, filtered air to effectively dry paintwork, metal, glass, and chrome. Users appreciate its lightweight design and ease of use, making it suitable for both car and motorcycle enthusiasts. The Blower Mini's quiet operation and adjustable speed settings enhance user experience. However, some users note that while it's effective for smaller vehicles and motorcycles, it may be less efficient on larger vehicles due to its size. Overall, the Bigboi Blower Mini is a valuable tool for achieving a scratch-free, professional finish. Meguiar MT300. The Meguiar's MT300 Dual Action Polisher is a professional-grade tool designed for automotive detailing enthusiasts and professionals. Its ergonomic design and lightweight construction enhance user comfort during extended use. The polisher features a variable speed control, allowing for precise adjustments to suit various detailing tasks. Equipped with digital torque management, it maintains consistent speed under load, ensuring uniform results. Users appreciate its smooth operation and effective performance in paint correction and polishing applications. However, some users have noted that the MT300 may not offer a significant upgrade over other polishers in its class, such as the Griot's Garage G9, which features a similar throw and includes a lifetime warranty. Overall, the MT300 is a reliable and efficient tool for achieving professional detailing results. Rove Vagabond. the Rome Vagabond rooftop tent is a durable, fold-out tent designed to accommodate 3 to 4 people, making it suitable for overlanding and camping enthusiasts. Its all-weather construction ensures reliability across various climates, and the high-density foam mattress enhances sleeping comfort. Users appreciate the tent's ease of installation on diverse roof racks and its quick setup time, allowing for efficient deployment at day's end. The inclusion of skylights offers a unique stargazing experience, adding to its appeal. However, some users have reported minor issues with shipping damage and customer service responsiveness, suggesting room for improvement in these areas. Overall, the Vagabond rooftop tent provides a spacious and comfortable shelter, catering to adventurers seeking convenience and durability in their outdoor accommodations. GME XRS Connect. The GME XRS Connect series brings innovative UHF radio technology designed for automotive enthusiasts seeking reliable communication during off-road adventures. With Bluetooth integration, the radios work seamlessly with a smartphone app for remote control, allowing users to adjust settings, access frequency data, and share locations, enhancing coordination and safety on the road. The compact control units offer easy installation, and the handsets feature bright OLED screens and powerful speakers for clear communication even in noisy environments. Additionally, the radios support over-the-air firmware updates, keeping the system up to date with new features. While the advanced features come at a premium, the GME XRS Connect offers exceptional performance and functionality, making it an excellent choice for those who value modern communication tools in their vehicle. Stertil Koni. Stertil Koni is a leading manufacturer of high-quality vehicle lifting solutions, offering a range of products including mobile column lifts, 2-post lifts, and 4-post lifts. Known for their safety and efficiency, Stertil Koni lifts are designed with advanced features such as wireless connectivity, which allows for flexible positioning and operation without the constraints of cables. This design enhances maneuverability, making them ideal for various workshop environments. The lifts also include automatic synchronization and overload protection for added safety. Users have praised the robust construction and intuitive controls, which contribute to a user-friendly experience and reduced operator fatigue. While the premium build quality comes at a higher price point, Stertil Koni's products are recognized for their performance, safety, and durability, making them a great investment for any professional workshop. WeatherTech PetRamp. The WeatherTech PetRamp is a durable and practical solution designed to assist pets in entering and exiting vehicles safely. Constructed from high-quality materials, it offers a sturdy surface that supports pets of various sizes, reducing the risk of injury. The ramp's non-slip surface ensures stability, even in wet conditions, providing confidence for both pets and owners. Users appreciate the ramp's lightweight design, which allows for easy handling and storage. Its compact size ensures it doesn't occupy excessive space in the vehicle when not in use. However, some users have noted that the ramp's weight capacity may not be suitable for very large or heavy pets. Overall, the WeatherTech PetRamp is a valuable accessory for pet owners seeking to enhance their pet's mobility and safety during travel. AstroAI Air Compressor. The AstroAI Air Compressor is a versatile and user-friendly device designed to efficiently inflate car tires, sports equipment, and other inflatables. Its digital display allows for precise pressure settings, ensuring optimal tire performance. Users appreciate the one-click pressure unit conversion among PSI, kilopascal, bar, and kg per centimeter, enhancing convenience. The integrated LED flashlight with independent switch control is a valuable feature for emergency situations. The 12 volts 120 watts 10 feet long heavy-duty car cigarette lighter cord provides ample reach for various vehicles. However, some users have noted that the cord length may be insufficient for larger vehicles. Overall, the AstroAI Air Compressor is a reliable and efficient tool for maintaining proper tire pressure, contributing to vehicle safety and performance. CarBench Manta Bench Rack. The CarBench Manta Bench Rack is an essential tool for automotive body shops, offering both flexibility and precision for vehicle frame repairs. It comes in 2 configurations, mobile and scissor lift, making it adaptable to different workshop needs. Both versions support a variety of sill clamps and the Manta pull post, enhancing repair capabilities. Users have praised its sturdy build and ergonomic design, which provides stability and ease during repairs. The mobile version's portability is ideal for positioning within the workshop, while the scissor lift model allows for better accessibility to vehicle frames. However, its premium quality does come with a higher price tag. Overall, the Manta Bench Rack is an excellent investment for body shops, delivering efficient OEM-approved vehicle frame repair solutions. Sealey Ultimate Trolley Jack. The Sealey Ultimate Trolley Jack is a high-performance lifting solution designed for automotive enthusiasts and professionals. Its robust construction ensures durability and stability during use. The jack features a low entry height, making it suitable for vehicles with minimal ground clearance. The rapid lift mechanism allows for quick and efficient lifting, reducing the time spent on maintenance tasks. Users have praised its smooth operation and sturdy build, noting that it provides excellent value for its price point. However, some have mentioned that the jack's weight may be cumbersome for frequent handling. Overall, the Sealey Ultimate Trolley Jack is a reliable and efficient tool for those seeking a durable and high-performing lifting solution. Rove R24K Dashcam. The Rove R24K Dashcam is a high-performance device designed to enhance driving safety through superior video recording capabilities. It captures Ultra HD 2160p footage, ensuring clear and detailed recordings of your journeys. The built-in Wi-Fi allows for seamless video transfers to your smartphone via the Rove app, facilitating easy sharing and storage. Additionally, the integrated GPS feature records your driving route, providing valuable data for navigation and incident documentation. Users have praised its user-friendly interface and reliable performance, noting that it offers excellent value for its price point. However, some have mentioned that the night vision could be improved for better low-light recording. Overall, the Rove R24K Dashcam is a reliable and efficient tool for capturing high-quality footage of your driving experiences. Patriot Camper's ST5. The Patriot Camper Super Tourer ST5 is a premium off-road camper trailer designed for adventure enthusiasts who prioritize both luxury and durability. At 5.2 meters long and weighing around 1,750 kilograms, it strikes a balance between compactness and spaciousness. The ST5 features a revolutionary suspension system with 250 millimeters of travel, ensuring a smooth ride on rugged terrains. Its automated low-profile roof comes equipped with 800 watts of solar panels, providing power for off-grid camping. Inside, the trailer offers a queen-sized fold-out bed, a wet-dry bathroom, and over 1,500 liters of storage. While the advanced features and rugged build are impressive, the higher price point and potentially cramped interior for taller users may be a consideration. Overall, the ST5 is a top-tier option for serious off-road adventurers.